I've been spending a little bit of time here in North Carolina.
En chantant des chansons, bras dessus. Bon. Bon. De Paris n'importe où, bras dessus. En chantant des chansons.
I'm in Noda in Charlotte. The Noda neighborhood is kind of like the little hipster town. If you watch South Park, it's like the Soto Sopa of Charlotte. In the intro montage, you may have also noticed a little white fluff ball. That is Freddie Mercury. She is our neighbor's dog here. Thank you, Anna, for letting me have a little friend for the week because I've had a lot of fun walking Freddie. Over the past 30 days, I've pretty much gone through the entire range of the 2 Series BMWs, excluding the brand new 240 and 230i. But that also reminds me that it's been a very long time since I've driven an M2, and I've actually never driven an M2 on camera. So, my friend, I want to give a shout out to Chris Bilsland, card above. He has a beautiful M2 in like the perfect spec, perfect color. Unfortunately, it was just hit by a semi truck. You can go check out his video. What I like about Chris is that he is building his YouTube channel from the ground up. He's not whoring himself out to the lowest common denominators of YouTubers or using other YouTubers' fame to get somewhere. He's just making films and doing a great job. So we definitely live in a world where things are moving very, very quickly in the automotive community, which brings me to my next point. Autonomous driving. Alex Roy has begun championing the Human Driving Association, so you'll definitely see me on that Instagram once in a while because I am a human and I love driving. He fancies the organization as sort of the NRA for drivers. This is people who want to continue driving their own cars. And in the next decade, we're gonna start seeing autonomy really take over. And unless there's people like us who go after these auto manufacturers to really maintain our stance as drivers, this is gonna go away. We're already starting to soften on driving. I'm noticing that I'm starting to get a little more forgiving to numb steering feel. I need to stop doing that. And thank God I own my Outlaw 911 to remind me what a real steering rack feels like. We're already getting to a point where flappy paddle gearboxes are so common that you don't even think twice about it when you get in the car. So to have real cars, that you need to operate and not just something that allows you to toss it in and floor it and let all the systems get you around the corner as fast as it can do it rather than as fast as you can do it. This is what worries me going forward. So I don't really know what Alex has in the works for the Human Driving Association, but it's worth taking a look at. There's an article in the Drive about it. I'm also really excited to get my hands on the .2 GT3s. And actually, I've never driven a 991 GT3 to begin with, so even a .1 GT3 would be fantastic. But there's a couple .2 GT3s that are coming off the line that I think I have my name on it. So I'm excited to share that with you as well. In Boston, we have so little to do in the car scene in the winter. Now, there's gonna be people out there like you've seen in Jalopnik with the Huracan Performante doing donuts in the snow. Or for that matter, my friend Kevin Song with his 991.2 GT3 playing in the snow with me. But most people keep their cars away in the winter. #1 car event coming up, April 28th in Boston. Boston City Hall Plaza is Art of the Automobile. This is where they bust out all the stops, the real deal, everything's coming. And it's totally open to the public. It's fantastic because you can jump straight off the subway and into the heart of this show. One more scatterbrain turn of this conversation. I am going to be 30 in April. And I usually don't get caught up with numbers, but recently I just hit 2 million views on the channel and 8,400 subscribers. What would be amazing if you could help me get to 10,000 subscribers for my 30th birthday. Do me a favor, click the subscribe button, go check out my Instagram, and don't forget to respect the drive.